journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step, and that's what we thought while starting the Chaotic Quills. The Chaotic Quills is not a community anymore. Yes, you heard it right. It's not a community anymore. It's a family of writers, orators, and poets nationwide, and yes, sometimes international as well. When I look into the past 1 year, I see that I have seen a lot of improvement in myself, in my team members. We have grown from a very basic base to a native base, right? And that's how we have grown along with you. And I want to thank each one of you for being so supportive, for being so kind to us, and supporting us throughout the journey. We're really thankful to us. The Chaotic Quills promises you to give you more and more events and more opportunities outshine yourself and show up your talent. This platform is yours and will remain yours. Thank you so much.
The Chaotic Quills are turning 1, and I'm really proud when I look back at this journey of the 1 year that we've made. Me and Sumit started this as just a hobby in the pandemic season, but over the past 1 year, we've not only seen our team grow, but I've also witnessed our community getting support from writers and poets all across the nation. It is just due to God's grace and your support that made us come this far.
Completed 1 year, and it was, for me, I don't feel any difference from being a founding member and then joining 2 months later. So for me, it has been like a witness of a metamorphosis. Like I have seen it grow. I have seen it from different perspectives, from a perspective of a mere participant, from perspective of a member or heading a department or a guest. So I've seen like a lot of sides of this organization, and it's very, very, very close to my heart. So I'd like to, I wish I could actually physically meet all my teammates, but since that is impossible, so all my love for everyone here, and I genuinely wish that we grow way beyond our present growth. So yes, happy birthday guys.
The Chaotic Quills finally completes 1 year, and I am so happy and so emotional at the same time because we have achieved so much in 1 year, and it makes me so proud to be a part of this team. Not only has this team given me a period of self-development, but it has also got out the best qualities in me and has made me a better person. And I am so happy for the family I've achieved here. Happy birthday TCQ. I wish you many more birthdays to come, and I wish to be a part of each and every one of them.
TCQ turns 1. I'm so damn happy. I can't even explain. I'm doing TCQ from last 11 months, and it's been an amazing and great journey so far. Seriously, I've learned so much from it, and TCQ has become an important part of my life. Just wishing TCQ a very, very, very happy birthday and many more happy years to come. Bye.
That we completed a year, and we have come up with so many events for everyone around us during this pandemic, and I'm so proud to say that I am part of TCQ, and we are so excited to celebrate our 1 year birthday, and we are so lucky to have Sumit and Shrey as our founders, and I just love working with TCQ. Each and every member is just amazing, and it's not like we are working together, it's like we are family, and we have built such a strong relationship over this year.
Okay, so we are turning 1 today. Now, actually, we have already turned 1 today, and it gives me immense pleasure that I'm sharing this day with the team. I joined some 7 to 8 months back, and still I'm the part of this team, and it's a very special feeling that after all the hard work and all the hurdles, we have completed this 1 year successfully, and it's an overwhelming feeling. Like it feels like another family, and I have grown with these people, laughed with these people, and seen myself grow as a better person. So I just wish TCQ a very happy birthday, and I'm a proud member of the team.
Chaotic Quills turns 1, and I cannot be happy enough. It's gonna be 3 months of me working with the team, and I've never been I've never been so welcomed, loved, appreciated, cared for, and at the Chaotic Wills I have made some amazing friends and I feel so lucky about it, and I want us to grow leaps and bounds and to many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday TCQ.
Hello everyone. Life is a journey of surprises, and TCQ is the most beautiful surprise that ever happened to me. I've met lot of people, make lot of good friends, and learned lot of good things. All this possible because of the TCQ family. In the end, I want to say I'm proud of you TCQ, to all the members, and happy birthday TCQ family.
So it has been 8 months now since I've been working in TCQ, and I started off as an executive and now I'm the Vice President of Community Affairs. So I remember that when I was joining TCQ, I was like, this is something, I could do. But now it's just, something I want to do. Like, I love working with this set of people. Everyone is so talented. Now TCQ has become my family and I love all of them and I love working here, and I'm just so grateful to be part of this experience and getting to witness this 1 year of celebration.
So finally we complete 1 year today and it feels so damn good. TCQ has gone through a lot of ups and downs but never backed off, and this is the reason why we are here. Their hard work, their dedication has made this journey of 1 year so beautiful and successful. I wish TCQ many more years of success.
I joined this team around 3 months back and it's been an amazing experience over here, growing together, working together. It's more like a family over here and I've learned a lot. I have expressed myself over here. I have reached out to people, helped me explore my own personalities, my own traits, and it really feels nice to be here at this moment, at this first milestone that we are achieving together. So happy birthday to us all.
I'm working with TCQ from July 2020 and it's been an amazing experience for me. I have learned so many new things. The people from the TCQ are very special to me. They are very close to my heart. They are always here to help each other, and I just can't even explain that how happy I am as TCQ is turning 1. So happy birthday TCQ, happy birthday TCQ family, congratulations everyone, love you all.
TCQ turns 1 and I can't be more happier than this. TCQ has taught me many things. TCQ has taught me how to talk to people, how to make fun of people, and more than that, TCQ has given me n number of experiences. I will love to work with this team further and hope to celebrate more birthdays with them. Happy birthday TCQ.
So the time has finally come for which we all were eagerly waiting for. Our team TCQ turns 1 and I'm really feeling very excited and happy. Also, I am feeling very grateful at the same time for being a part of such a wonderful team. Also, I would like to say that it's been only 3 months and it feels like a family. The members here are so much motivating. They always support you, help you, and it's a platform where you can showcase your skills and improve your abilities. Also, I would like to celebrate more birthdays. Yeah.
Birthday to TCQ. So TCQ has been really very nice for me because I was quite aimless before I joined in. So thank you so much for choosing me as your executive, and now promotions hit and you have done really well. I have not come to such a lovely team that so acceptable, and it just makes you feel like you're right at home.
Hello everyone, so I am one of the newest members of TCQ, but it doesn't feel like it because the people here are so welcoming and loving. They make you feel appreciated at each and every point of time. My journey with TCQ has been so rewarding. I am so grateful that I'm part of such a great team, and once again a happy birthday to all of us.
TCQ turns 1. I'm just falling short of words because I've just joined a month back, but it doesn't feel like it's just been a month. It feels like I've known the TCQ for a longer time because the team has bonded over so well, and only in this 1 month of working I can tell that how much hard work the team has gone through in this 1 year, and I'm just overwhelmed with the success of TCQ and super duper happy to be the part of team on such a precious occasion. Happy birthday to us!
Hello everyone, my name is Pragya and I'm a member of the TCQ team. I'm really happy that TCQ has completed its 1 year and it's going to be its birthday. It's really amazing to see that how TCQ has grown enormously in just a small span of time. So happy birthday to TCQ and I wish a lot of success and a lot of happiness in future and we keep on growing every single day. Thank you so much.
Happy 1 year TCQ. My journey with TCQ is really very less, but it's really worth it. I mean, the amount of appreciation, love, support, motivation that I get from each and every member is really priceless. So thank you TCQ for making me a part of your family.